I have never, ever, in 14 years, seen in an accident with an earth embankment on a CARFAX before.
Yeah, I figured it was like a ditch.
It hit an earth embankment. What does that even mean? An earth embankment. That's like so weirdly written. I guess an embankment is like a wall or something that would prevent something from like getting out. It could just be a wall on the highway.
Earth embankment, you think it is?
Well, an embankment is, you know, I don't.
It's not like a median. Anyways, we know this is going to be a negative.
Would love to know what on earth this means, but
I should ask him. What did you hit?
I mean, yeah. Okay, so I would. I'm kind of curious. As for the damage that's on this bumper, though, I mean,
feel like it's not terrible. Does it look that bad to you?
Well, it's completely dented and creased, and it's. Are we looking at the same thing here?
This is not bad.
What are you talking about?
First of all, this is like a separate piece that could be replaced.
Not a separate piece. That entire front bumper probably needs to be replaced. Crease itself, it looks like a golf club hit like directly, and if it was just in the middle of the bumper, that'd be one thing, but because it is on the crease of the bumper where it starts to go in, you can never, even if you can pop a dent out, you can never quite get it right on a crease.